po tayo dito sa Volleyball Central. Arena in San Juan. And oh boy, what a win for them. You gotta be happy for these girls. Showing some character, some heart, some fight. Coming back to win. Ang ganda nga ng ngiti ni Coach Francis kanina no nagkita tayo. And that girl is the one, as we see Angelique Tabaquero. Am I right?
Yeah,
It is.
and it's really nice to see all these old players come and support their squads. I saw earlier Mary Jean Balse here as well. Melody Villasaran from FEU. So, you know, a lot of different players.
Venus Bernal, ilang beses na kunan sa camera, incidentally or accidentally, during the game against National University. Some iconic names in volleyball.
Yeah, and
Tabaquero was a joy to watch too.
of course.
Noreen, wow.
You know, for me, Tabaquero, arguably had the best contact. Arguably had the best contact with the ball, Tabaquero. Because when she hits it, the sound crisp. You know, you don't hear that a lot.
And the form. And it helps that her body looks really good when she's up there in the air because she had that perfect build for volleyball. And for a time, she even played with a shoulder injury and gutted it out. You know, those were fighters. Those are the known fighters in recent volleyball history. You know, those names that you mentioned. As Jessie De Leon gets her team ahead here, 10-7. Little life, more life for UST in the second set.
Well, you can see actually, si Banaticla has been
Yes.
talking to her teammates. So hopefully they listen.
Rojas, underhand set. Vargas way underneath that ball.
Wow, two unlikely back-to-back errors by Vargas.
So she continues to serve for her team. Remember, they only had 13 points in that first set. They're 2 points away from that. Vargas.
Goes down the line, nobody there to cover that. Still, no, UST, their floor defense still very slow. It's not really still the squad we saw last weekend. But, well, things are still looking better for them here in the second set.
That's right. Ortiz slowed down the run, which caused the block there. Banaticla, this time coming alive. She's the one who's been scoring here for her team.
That's right, and Remy Palm actually apologizing because she knew she was there, but she wasn't able to contain that.
And now it is Landin's turn in rotation to serve. 12 serving 8. Reverse set. Oh, hindi na mahabol. Oh, look at that dive by Agnos. And Coach Kidd calls a timeout as UST surges ahead by 5.
Okay. Babla ka pala, ang kamay mo narito sa court natin. Di ba? Hindi ka na sana bumlock. Pag bumlock ka sa loob, para matouch mo man, doon sa kabila babagsak. Eh, kita mo ginanon lang sa atin bumagsak. Okay. So, huwag nyo madaliin. Pag na-receive natin na maganda, doon nyo madaliin. Minamadaliin nyo kagad eh. Dandahan lang muna. Pag nakuha natin ang bola, doon tayo umatake na maayos. And then coverage. Malapit lang yun.
You know, when you notice, every time you call or you catch a Coach Kidd timeout, it's always a two-part timeout. A correction from a previous mistake, and then going into the next play. Always yan.
Yeah. No, and I like what he said, no? Parang, he said, wag ka na sana mag-block. Short of saying na, everything you do has to have a purpose. A definite purpose. You don't block, na tentative lang yung, diba, he showed it. You're just gonna tap it, so it's gonna just go in our court. So when sana hindi ka na nag-block.
Yeah.
You know, if it's half-hearted. When you do something, you have to do it, you know, with conviction.
And with purpose.
Diba? With purpose. That's what he said, which is, you know, a nice way of coaching also.
It's in other words, it's not, you don't do things just to go through the motion.
Exactly.
As Rojas here at her favorite side gets that through. Tunay puts it away.
you know, Tunay and Lastimosa has been, you know, not only in this match, but those two players has been showing us a different side to their game.
Manatikla, 3 points all in this set. Inagawan. You know, the coaches will always tell you, if you have to save a ball or dig going to the side, you are already in the wrong position.
Exactly. And you jump pa.
Yeah.
Stay as low as possible.
Yep. Percentages of you getting the dig correctly when you extend your arms to the side are very low. C. Sets up Rojas.
Oh, good dig.
Banatikla there. Banatikla playing very well for the Golden Tigresses here. Over receive. Chance ball. Ortiz. Kita mo yung mga mata ng mga player. Parang itinutulak yung bola pa. Hinihipad yung bola palabas.
And all the prayers.
69 back in a moment.